take a look at the view market intelligence first. So this is the market intelligence that it has created. It analyzed 1,000 reviews, Vova. So we'll go to the images later, but first, take a look how AI is generating these, like customer demographics, what are the review sentiments? What exactly are people talking about?
Nice.
For this one, the number one pain point is the quality issues. Second pain point is like blood pressure reactions. People have like difficulty sleeping in some cases,
Mm-hmm.
hard to open the packaging. So AI tells you like how many reviews had those many mentions. But good thing about positive themes, like out of those 1,000 reviews, 400 people were talking about stress relief and mood support. So these are like the positive. People were also talking about the sleep got better, they got good value for money, easy to swallow capsules, and what people are talking about in the feature request, what people would really like to see, like for example, third-party testing certification, for example, vegan
Mm.
options. So these are things people are talking about in the reviews, and you can see all the top pain points over here. Lots of pain points. You can see like, customer motivations. You can see like what are the decision making factors that people, you need to overcome before before people make a sale on Amazon. So you can see like detailed customer avatars, and it's not just making it up. These are the real reviews that, AI is analyzing. So it's like a really good market intelligence. You can see all your competitors. It has already analyzed, what your competitor have. You can see like which competitor has better main images, which competitor has better branding, what kind of images they are. And after looking at these images, AI is also recommending what kind of images you should be doing, right? So it's a really great data.